Today, our student will be learning how to invert and multiply. So at the end of this lesson, your student should be able to take a fraction, divide it by another fraction, but we don't really divide, all we do is multiply. So for example, for each serving of fruit juice is 1/3 cup. If you have 12/8 cups of fruit juice, how many servings can you get? So we don't do the picture. That's not going to work for this problem because it's very complicated. The double number line is also very complicated to do without invert and multiply. But our diagram seems to work out perfectly. So as you can see, I have 4 cups of 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. We know that 3/3 makes 1. So if we have 12/8 cups, then we know 8/8 cups makes 1. So therefore we'll have 4/8 left. We can reduce 4/8 to 1/2. So what we do is draw 1, 2, 3. 3 cups makes 1. Then we have 1/3 cup left. Therefore, we know that we can't have another half, because if we have another half, then that's not going to finish this fraction. We'll have to have a remainder. So, to invert and multiply, you take 12/8. 12/8 divided by 1/3. To do this, you take 3 goes into 12 4 times. Then you move it over to 4 as your whole number, then 4/8. We know 4/8 reduces to 1/2 as we saw in our diagram. Then we go 4.5 servings we can get out of 12/8 cup of fruit juice. That's of how many groups problem. So next we move to this one. There is a class of 30 students. They are split into groups according to their shirt color. 3/4 of them have an orange shirt. The rest of them have on blue shirts. What fraction of the class has on a blue if the whole class is 600/5? So we know 30 students can be converted into a fraction as 600/5. So what I did was I drew a beautiful array here and split it 30 X's representing the 30 students. Then we put 3/4 to it to find out how many students have on a blue shirt. So when we're counting students, we can't really have half of a student. I mean, you can, but not technically. So what we do is we go over here and put 30/1, which is the improper fraction. It reduces from 600/5. Then we divide by 3/4. So what we do there is take 4 into 30. We get 7 with 2 left over. So what we do is put a 7 here. 2 times 3 is 6 over 1, which is still 6. So it's 7 remainder of 6. So 7 with 6 over 30 gives us how many students wear blue shirts. So technically 7 students wear blue shirts with 1/5 of a student who must have on stripes. This is how you invert and multiply to solve a division fraction problem with diagrams and word problems.